I rewrite the systems that control capital. Wealth operative.
Wealth inequality is real, and it's not about fairness, it's about architecture. The system rewards ownership, not labor. Miss this truth, and you'll trade time for money until you die. I've seen both sides. Here's what separates them. The wealthy don't work for money. Money works for them. The uncomfortable truth? If you only climb corporate ladders, you're playing the wrong game. Hard work matters, but leverage matters more. Complaining about the system is noise. Learning how it works is power. Here's the framework. The wealth architecture. Step 1. Employment is venture capital. Your job funds your transition out of your job. Use salary to build credit, build skills, and most importantly, fund your first assets. Employment isn't the destination, it's the launch pad. Step 2. Acquire income-producing assets, index funds, rental properties, online businesses, assets that earn while you sleep, not toys that decay the moment you buy them. Step 3. Controlled, calculated risk. 5 to 10% on higher risk, higher reward plays. Technology ETFs, emerging markets, scalable side businesses, small enough to survive failure, large enough to accelerate success. Risk isn't your plan, it's your accelerator. Treat it like seasoning, too much, and it ruins the dish. Step 4. Build invisible shields. Limited liability companies separate your assets from personal liability. Insurance protects against catastrophe. Diversification protects against single points of failure. Wealth without protection is wealth waiting to vanish. Step 5. Strategic luxury. Not all spending is equal. A depreciating car is consumption. A networking dinner that creates opportunities, investment. Education that increases earning power, investment. Ask yourself, does this multiply opportunities or just satisfy ego? The math is brutal but simple. Compound interest either works for you or against you. There's no neutral. Most millionaires aren't trust fund babies. They're disciplined accumulators who understood one principle. Live below your means. Invest the difference. Repeat for decades. Wealth isn't a miracle, it's math. Compound math. The economy doesn't care about your effort. It cares about your assets. You can resent this fact, or you can use it. The wealthy don't fear hard workers. They fear people who understand leverage, who build systems instead of just following them, who make money work instead of just working for money. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about getting rich slow. Deliberately, systematically, inevitably. Every dollar you earn has a choice. Protect you, grow for you, or disappear into consumption. The ratio you choose decides your future. Most people work until they die, because they never learned the difference between income and wealth. Income pays bills. Wealth buys freedom. Here's your choice. Serve money your entire life. Or teach money to serve you. Work for money, and you serve the system. Make money work for you, and you become the system. That's the wealth architecture.